Hello, welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure your MSI GTX 1070 graphics card for gaming. So once you install your graphic cards to your computer in Windows 10 or whatever the Windows operating system, there are some couple of things that you should install and configure before you start playing games, because that will give us the most optimum performance when you are playing the games. So first of all, the thing that you need to do is just go to the internet and search MSI GTX 1070. Under the first result, this is your graphics card, so make sure this is the model that you have. And after verifying it, go to this support tab. So there you will have two driver softwares. So these two are very essential. You should always download these two, right? So the first one is GeForce Experience, so which is responsible for automatically download the driver updates and keep your graphics card up to date, because MSI releases updates for these graphics card frequently. So I think I already have these softwares in my PC. Let's just GeForce here. Yes, so this is our home, and under the drivers tab you can see there is update already available for my graphics card that I haven't updated, so it's good that I have opened this. I think I forgot this somehow. Okay, so I have to download this one after this video. Yes, and besides from that, this GeForce Experience software offers us some great features, like you can record entire gameplays without any lag or kind of things, because it is using the your graphic unit's internal hardware to record the game, right? So in here you can see a tab, open in-game overlay. So in here what you can see is you can record your gameplays in here. So you can click start and you can adjust settings as well, and you can broadcast live, and you can instant replay. Actually I haven't tested these broadcast live and instant replay options, but they are available to try. So I just want you to tell you what are the essential softwares that you need to have with you if you have this graphics card. So then after that software, there is another software that I want to tell, that is I'm not sure that I want that software, but yes, I think this automatic drive update is best for your PC like if you cannot get any update or kind of thing, you can download this one, but I recommend this one because I'm also not using this software, manual driver download. Okay, the next thing that you will need is, there are some couple of softwares. Select your operating system from here, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 softwares that you should have. From them also this MSI Afterburner, MSI Gaming App, and MSI Live Update 6 are the most important ones. So MSI Afterburner, what it will do is, it will allow you to control almost everything, every setting in your graphic card manually. On the other hand, you have to be very careful when you are doing it also. That's what I believe. Besides from that, if we look at their description, they say MSI owns Afterburner software is currently the most powerful graphics card overclocking software available. Aside from the basic frequency adjustment and system monitor, this software allows the user to adjust the voltage of the GPU. This important feature saves all the hassle of having to adjust the circuit board in order to provide a higher voltage to the GPU. So therefore, the software's automatic fan speed control has received a lot of praise from enthusiasts all over the world. With MSI Afterburner, the decision to run the fan quietly or high performance is in our hands. So if you, once you install and turn on the machine, once you install your graphic card and turn on the machine, some of you may have wondered why my graphics cards fans are not running. It's because it was designed like that. So after exceeding some level of temperature only, those fans will start running. I think it's like 55 degrees of Celsius. I'm not really sure about it, but I think it's 55 the limit. And if you have noticed something like that the fans are not running, don't get panic. So let's open up this MSI Afterburner software also. Always run as administrator. As you can see, there is update available right now. So what I'm recommending you is, you should always update these softwares, because that will ensure the performance of your graphics card. Okay, I will go ahead and click yes. So in here you can see so 4.6.2, yes. So we have all the controls here. I'm not going to do any changes to these things. But if you want to control these things, this is the software for you. I'm not going to touch anything here. As you can see, the fan speed is set to automatic, and they are giving us a hint also. You can read it. Wait a minute, I think we have already downloaded this. Okay, that's alright. I will go ahead and close this now. And the next important software that you need is the MSI Gaming App. I think I already have that one also. MSI gaming app, there you are. Always run the software as administrator, that will be better. Okay, now you can see actually this is like a very user-friendly app to control these features very easily. So they offer us 3 modes, that is silent mode, gaming mode and overclock mode. So when we select silent mode, the graphic card will went to silent, and even if there is a blowing fan, that fan will operate in a very low speed. So if you select gaming mode, then that mode is good for normal gaming, and if for extreme games and graphics you can select OC mode, which means overclock mode. So in here I believe that this application will automatically control the overclocking settings, but I'm not sure about it. Anyway, this app doesn't offer any manual controls over the overclocking settings. Besides from that, this app has a VR ready function which we can enable or disable, and they have a eye rest feature which you can change the colors. So if you want a rest for your eyes, you can select this one. So if you're playing games, you can select this one. If you are watching a movie, you can select this one, and if you want to customize these colors, you can select this one. I will go with the default color settings, and this zero frozen means that fans will not operate until a certain temperature meet, and this cooler boost, this option means once you click it, the fans in the GPU will start spinning very fast. You can even hear the sound. Okay, that's about the gaming app. I will minimize it and now go to this MSI live updates. It's running over here. So this app is responsible for any updates related to your MSI other softwares, right? So you can always scan for updates. So it says that your drivers release at latest version, so there is no update. So it basically check some driver and MSI software versions, but I believe that it is not checking the driver version of your graphics card, because as we have already seen, there is an update already available for graphics driver, but it's not visible in here. So anyway, you should have this software, because like in yesterday, this software suggests me that there is an update for this MSI gaming app. So then I went there and downloaded it. So this software is also kind of important software. Sorry, I forgot to mention that in the settings you can schedule these updates and everything. So those options are also available in this MSI Live Update 6 software. So there is another software called Mystic Light. So what it does is, if you are running your MSI card, you have noticed that there are some lights in your card, right? So you can change the color and blinking and all those things using this software. So if you like some visual effects you can install this, but I don't think it's related to any performance kind of things. You can run this application. There you are. So you can control the colors. So you can select effects, breathing, flashing, likewise. When we select breathing, your graphic card will your lights will act like this. See? So I will say no animation. I think we cannot control the light speed and stuff in here. Maybe it's not available for our MSI driver. Sorry for that. So this is about the Mystic Light. So as you can see, there are so many options. When we click this, then the lights will go off, and when we click this one, the lights will come on. And I'm searching where I can change the colors. I'm not sure. I think yes, let's select individual and go to settings. There you are. So from here you can change the colors of this logo as well. I'm not sure how I can do that, but you can do it from here. So that's all about the softwares that you need to play games. So I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do like this video, as well as share this video with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.